used to think that bravery meant standing tall and loud, fighting every battle with my fists up in the crowd. But I've learned it can be softer, like a whisper in the storm, choosing to keep going even when my heart feels torn. Waking up on lonely mornings, making coffee for one, smiling through the memories of all that we've outgrown. Not because I'm fearless, but because I choose to stay and face another day in my own quiet way. No spotlight, no applause, no cheering from the side, just me and my own heartbeat, learning how to ride. A quiet kind of brave, the kind nobody sees, getting out of bed when my heart begs me to freeze, choosing hope when everything feels gray. A quiet kind of brave that carries me through the day. Oh, this quiet kind of brave, it's enough for me. I forgive myself for falling, for the times I couldn't stand, for the nights I cried in silence with no one holding my hand. I've stopped waiting for the moment when I'll feel completely strong. I've learned that courage whispers even when it feels so wrong. It's in the way I keep my promises to the girl I used to be, in the way I let the healing come so patiently. Not loud, not dramatic, not a hero in the light, just a quiet kind of brave that helps me through the night. No spotlight, no applause, no cheering from the side, just me and my own heartbeat, learning how to ride. A quiet kind of brave, the kind nobody sees, getting out of bed when my heart begs me to freeze, choosing hope when everything feels gray. A quiet kind of brave that carries me through the day. Oh, this quiet kind of brave, it's enough.